Young drivers can race into all kinds of awesome off-road adventures with the Power Wheels Dune Racer. With hot pink styling, a sturdy steel frame, an open cockpit roomy enough for 2 riders, and a high-performance monster traction drive system that can power over multiple terrains, this rad ride-on is perfect for your little adventurer. There's even a secret compartment under the hood to store toys and other on-the-go necessities. And it features 2 forward drive speeds, 2.5 or 5 miles per hour max, plus reverse, a 12-volt rechargeable battery, and power lock brakes. With the monster traction system of this hot pink Power Wheels Dune Racer, young drivers can navigate through rough terrain and common backyard bumps like garden hoses, tree roots, and wet grass without getting stuck. And with a spacious open cockpit design, there's room to bring a friend along for the ride. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This battery-powered ride-on features a sturdy steel frame that can support up to 130 pounds of weight. The metal sidebars provide stable hand supports, while the smooth contours and rounded edges inside offer extra protection for your little off-roader. When kids press on the foot pedal, the 12-volt rechargeable battery kicks in, revving up to 5 miles per hour. And with the specially designed power lock brake system, the vehicle automatically stops when kids take their foot off the pedal. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Hot pink styling with flashy, chrome wheels and grille. Number 2. Sturdy steel frame and metal sidebars for hand support. Number 3. Monster traction system drives on hard surfaces, wet grass, and rough terrain. Number 4. Drives 2.5 and 5 miles per hour, 4 and 8 kilometers per hour, max. Forward. 2.5 miles per hour, 4 kilometers per hour, max. Reverse. Number 5. Parent-controlled, high-speed lockout. Number 6. Power lock brakes, automatically activate when the foot lifts off the pedal. Number 7. Storage area under the hood. Number 8. Includes 12-volt battery and charger. Number 9. Seats 2. Max weight 130 pounds, 59 kilograms. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Enough power to go up slopes? Answer. We recommend using the vehicle only on grass, asphalt, and other hard surfaces, and generally level ground. Question number 2. What age group is this for? Answer. Age grading is 3 and up. It has 2 seats, with a maximum weight of 130 pounds, 59 kilograms. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.